Hi folks, in my last video I was mentioning gardening tools made of bronze. I'd like to show you some I've actually developed myself. Different to theirs, but obviously on a gardening theme. I'd like to show you the very first trowel that I made out of solid copper. I think that was 1mm thick copper, which we gained from an old water tank we had fitted. A really old water tank that was made of solid copper, square thing, and I salvaged the copper out of that to make these and many other items of jewellery actually. As you can see there, they've actually been hammered, planished, in order to harden up the metal, and over the years it's had quite some hammers, that one. I turned the handle as well, being a wood turner, and you can see on the back there I had to do a repair patch of silver soldered a square strengthening patch on the back as it was beginning to give way. There's another one there that I made. That one there is made out of slightly thicker copper, about 1.5mm, and hammered again, and really durable tool actually. That's a silver it's a nickel silver shaft, which is actually silver soldered onto there at an angle, again with a hand wood turned, and they've been going now for 5 or 6 years, going strong, and still doing the job. And moving on, I've made a weeder for getting in between tight rows, and this is actually made of solid bronze, which is PB102 variant. Which is much tougher than copper, with it having a tin content, and got a little bits of fancy decoration on there, and worked well. The wood on that one is, looking at the grain, it's elderberry, that one. Them other two are beech, the two first ones I've showed you. And then moving on to two dibbers that I made, a big one and a little one. Again, out of the copper sheet from the water tank, and if you look very closely there, you can actually see, you'll see the solder line somewhere. You can actually just see it there. I don't know whether you can see it there. There's a very small silver line there along there, just there. That's hand rolled cone, solid cone right to the end, and a hand turned. That's Bramley apple, that one. Gives a lovely patina when it ages. Same with the small one. That one's actually made out of English holly, that one. Or is it? No, that's applewood as well. Slightly, or is it? Yeah, it is. It's applewood. Again, a different kind of apple. And they've been. Wish I had a penny for every time they've dipped a seed in those ones. And moving on to a pair I made for my wife for our 20th wedding anniversary. These ones that she hasn't used yet. They were made to use, but she hasn't used them. These again, PB102 bronze, 2mm thick. These ones quite heavy, very strong, and again rolled and hammered in a roller that I have. Even the shaft on this one's bronze as well, and I've shaped the ends so that they're come to a fairly sharp point with a nice curve underneath. And the other one matching is another type of what I call a shield weeder. Again, curved in both directions and rounded over to a really nice fine edge. You can just see it there, and with matching these ones again. These are apple again. Lovely grain, lovely colour, with two leather laces at the top. I'm quite proud of those. The sterling silver ferrules on. Again, all silver soldered. Nice matching pair. She just won't use them. So that's my selection of copper gardening tools I've made. So again, thank you for watching. Bye for now.